Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install HetrixTools on Windows Server 2022. First, navigate to the HetrixTools login site. If you already have an account, you may proceed to log in. Otherwise, you may click Sign Up to go to the Sign Up page. Once you have signed up, you will receive a verification email to the email you used to sign up. Once you have verified, you may log in and be redirected to the dashboard. Now, navigate to Uptime Monitor. On the top right, click Add Monitor, and there will be a pop-up to choose what type of monitor you want to install or set up. Continue to select the monitor type. In this step, select and configure the appropriate type of monitoring based on your needs. Each type requires specific information to ensure accurate monitoring. The available monitoring types are Website Monitor, Ping or Service Monitor, SMTP Monitor, and Heartbeat Monitor. In this video, we will select and configure all of the available monitoring types. Click on the gear icon under Options and select Monitoring Agent Package. HetrixTools will pop up a new window. Select Windows, then copy the install code. Now, open and run PowerShell as an administrator. Next, paste the install code. Please wait for the installation to run till it shows completed. Then, HetrixTools will also show that the installation is completed and start collecting data. Now, you can click on the monitor object for more details. On this page, you can view more details of your server without logging into your server.